Proline is a manufacturer of ergonomic workbenches. What sets us apart from a lot of our competitors is we manufacture here in the United States. We have many models in stock. We have the best in-stock program in the industry. We have 7 models in 3 different colors with 5 different work surface choices. What we're bringing here are workbenches that would generally be used for packaging and also light assembly or for storage. And the advantage to our workbench is it has numerous accessories available and it's modular, so the customer can configure the workbench in order to meet their requirement. We have overhead lighting, we have bin rails, we have power supplies, various drawers. We have overhead lighting, both fluorescent and LED. The customer gets to pick the base bench that best fits their requirement, and then the accessories that best fit what they're trying to do in their applications.